Ready for an adventure? Okay, guys, I got Zeus out. We're gonna go for an adventure. I'm gonna take him down by the river. We're at Upper Rock Creek. Pretty neat place. So let's go for a little adventure. You ready? Okay, guys. So I got Zeus. We're gonna go for a little adventure. We're gonna go for a trip down. We're up at Upper Rock Creek. We're gonna go down by the creek. See what we could find. Alright, let me lock the car up. We're on our way. Okay, so here we go. Come on, Zeus. Go this way. You guys, just so you guys get a look at where we're at. Pretty gorgeous here. Alright. Don't drink that. I'm not gonna let you drink the water around here, buddy. Maybe down by the clean river. Somebody's been camping. It's like camping sites here. What do you think? Pretty neat. Alright, come on. Ooh, look at the water. Let's go this way. Come on, you can go down to it. Come on. Looks like a path. What do you think? You're gonna go right into it, aren't you? Don't pull me. You probably got better footing than me already. Right. What do you think, Zeus? Pretty neat. What are you thinking? You gonna go out in that water? It's cold water. It's cold out today. Where you going? You leading me? Yeah, you ended up to nowhere land, mister. What do you think? You're gonna eat some grass, huh? You're pretty funny, Zeus. Pretty funny, Zeus. Alright. I'm gonna take you away from this part of the river. Let's go take an adventure somewhere a little into the woods. What do you think? Alright. Alright. Lead me up, buddy. Something was there. Looks like paw prints. Come on, get out of here. You're gonna get eaten by a cougar, man. I ain't got no guns. You know how I am. I do have a knife. Cougar be in trouble, man. Gotta protect my puppy. Come on, Zeus. Ooh, it's chilly. Come on, let's go walk through the campsite. Come on. Zeus, come on. Come this way. Come on. It's a little couch. My little mushrooms. What you finding, buddy? Everything? Come on. Zeus, come. Good boy. You're such a good boy, Zeus. go this way. Come on, Zeus, come. Go that way. Good boy. Let's go this way. Past somebody's chair. Somebody's been sitting here, Zeus. Come on. Come on. Pretty neat woods. Alright, hey Zeus. Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm gonna pause you for a minute. Alright? We'll start back up in a minute. So we made it up. We're gonna go up into the woods. Pretty far from the car down there, so let's go into the woods and go that way. Come on, Zeus, come on this way. Let's go up. Can you make it up this big old hill? Come on. Zeus, come. Come on. Come on. You coming? Oh, come on. Where you going? Come on, wimp. If I'm my old, almost 60 years old, I can make it. Come on. Such a wimp. Holy cow. You're gonna have to grow up. Keep up with me. An old man. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can't believe you didn't make it up that. And then you're tugging me. You're so strong. You totally could have done that. You could have done it. Are you tugging me? Come on, you want to run? I'll run with you. Holy cow, you're fast. Whew. You are so fast, mister. Okay, well, we ain't going in the blackberries. Alright. We're going to have to get in the car and go somewhere else. I think we explored this little spot enough. What do you think? No? Is it up to you? Uh-oh, you're going to step on them stickers. Stepping on them stickers. Okay, let's see. What do we think? Pretty deep right there. Could probably go down right there if you wanted. No? What do you think, Zeus? Come on. That's pretty. But you ain't going down that. Come on, get out of that. No! Did you lick that? Wipe your mouth off. Alright, come on. Yeah, there's no easy way down there, buddy. Okay. Looks like a really neat fall over there. Come on. We want to see this, though. Come on. Come see this. Come on. People made a mess around here. There's trash everywhere. Disgusting. Okay, let's look right here. Come here. Don't go too close to that edge, buddy. Come on. Let's back to the car, buddy. Hey, Zeus, I'm talking to you. You ignoring me? Just having too good a time? You so love to explore, don't you? You are an explorer for sure. Come on, almost to the car. I know you're gonna hate this. You're gonna be like, no. Let's watch you pull away. Come on. Are you ready to get in? What do you think? How did I know? We'll go somewhere else for a little bit, okay? Alright, I love you. Alright, here we go. Guys, I'm almost out of room. Hopefully I don't run out. Zeus fell asleep, so I ended up just coming almost home. We're gonna go to the boat ramp. I don't think he's ever been down to this boat ramp before, so still something new for him. He just looked at all them cows over there. What do you think, all them cows over there? Well, this is a river. You don't want to go in this. I'm not letting you drink this either, mister. I know you're going to want it. Are you pulling me? Are you pulling me? Are you pulling me? What the heck is this, huh? That's big water, buddy. What do you think? A little scary? Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Time to get tough. Get up here. Come on. Come on. Come on, you remember being on one of these at the other river? Come on, at the boat ramp in Riverton. It's just the same thing. Come on. Pretty clear. Should have brought my fishing pole. I have it in the car. Oh, are you scared of that little dip? Come on, get over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Zeus. Hey, are you scared? Oh, I'm sorry. You're so scared. I love you. I love you. Come on. I wouldn't let nothing happen. You come on. You could do it. It's like 2 inches. Come on. All right, we'll do it another day. Turn around. Look, this one's bigger. Oh, but you can go over that one. Oh my God, you are so funny, mister. Is that enough river trip for you? All right, Zeus, say goodbye to everybody. Hey, you're getting dirt on your nose. Dirty. Say goodbye to everybody. Say goodbye to everybody. All right, guys. We love you. Zeus loves you.